Welcome to Nuke It, the microwave cooking show for people who want to impress a date. On this episode, we're going to make baked potato. The ingredients you would need are potato, a paper towel, and a fork. Optional ingredients are butter, sour cream, onion, and salt. Step 1. Take the potato and fork and stab holes into the potato. Once you're done stabbing the potato, wrap it in the paper towel. Make sure it is a paper towel and not aluminum foil, because aluminum foil will explode. Walk over to the microwave, put it in here. 8 minutes for a large. Meanwhile, while your potatoes in the microwave, chop the green onion. Chop, 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 chop. Any rough chop will be. Doesn't have to be pretty. We're not trying to impress anybody except your date. Okay, hot potato. Hot potato. Be careful because it is a hot potato. Take the paper off. Cut it in half. You can fluff it with your fork. Fork. A little bit of butter. Butter. Sprinkle a little bit of salt on top. Get back in there, butter. Sprinkle a little salt on top. This is optional. You can also add a little bit of sour cream. Top it off with a little bit of onions. And if you like, I like to put a little chili on top. And there you have it. A delicious baked potato in the microwave.